Hi everybody, this is Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. As far as battery placement goes, one of the primary considerations BMW gives is for weight distribution. For most models, such as with this X3, that means the battery is going to be in the trunk area, and we'll show you where that is. We'll also cover how to perform a safe jump start from under the hood. Let me show you where the battery is on our X3. I've opened up the trunk lid, and let me pull up the trunk lid floor, prop it open with this strap. I've already undone the screws that hold down this panel in the back here, and lifting the panel up will reveal the battery location. Now, we just showed you where the battery placement is in the trunk of this X3. It's never recommended to do a jump start directly on the battery terminals. So we'll go under the hood and show you what they've done for us here. You'll see the positive post here. It's under a cap that's red with a plus sign on it. Lift that up, and that's where your positive post would be. As far as the negative is, it's actually labeled in this car. You should probably see that. It's a negative sign, and it will, underneath it, reveal a post right here where you would put your negative lead for the jump start. Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.